Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We will make Delhi biryani today, and to make it, here I have chicken 2 pounds, yogurt 2 cups, mix it with a whisk, onion 2 medium size, garlic 2 bulbs grated, ginger 1 tablespoon grated, juice of 1 lemon, oil 1 cup, salt 1.5 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, and coriander powder 2 tablespoon, yellow food color 1 teaspoon. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of water, 2 bay leaves and 2 anise star, cayenne pepper half teaspoon. So let's start with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I soaked 4 cups of basmati rice for an hour. I already added 12 cups of water in a pan. Now I will add 2 cinnamon sticks, 6 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1.5 tablespoon salt in the water, and let it boil for rice, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I added oil and chicken in the pan and fry until it changed its color, a little bit white like this. Then take it out of the oil. Now add onions in the same oil. And fry them for 2 minutes. Then add garlic and ginger in it. And fry them for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add red chili powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, turmeric, and coriander powder. Fry them for 2 minutes on very low flame. Then add yogurt without lumps. Mix it. Now add cayenne pepper, bay leaves and a star, and salt in it. Fry them for 2 minutes. Now add chicken in it. And mix it very well. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It starts boiling after 15 minutes at high flame. Now I will keep the flame at medium low and let it cook for another 30 minutes. It's already giving very tempting smell, mashallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I kept the flame high after 30 minutes and reduced water in it. Now I will add lemon juice in it. I'm also boiling rice in another pan. Rice and chicken masala always cooked side by side to make biryani. Let me check the rice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Biryani masala is ready and rice are boiled. I kept half of boiled rice in the pan and another half rice in a big bowl. Now I will spread yellow color on rice. And mix it with a fork very gently. Then I will assemble the biryani, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The first layer of Delhi biryani will be the rice. Then spread chicken biryani masala over it. Then another layer of rice. And some masala on top of it. Also some drops of yellow food color. And some green chilies. Now keep the lid closed for 3 minutes to get the beautiful aroma of your yummy Delhi biryani, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Very delicious Delhi biryani is ready. Please make it in a Ramadan and it will give you very yummy taste, inshallah. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.